So we got a wave with a broken plier. Hi, my name is Matt Brown. I'm the Warranty Program Manager here at Leatherman Tool. I'm here to talk about why we have a 25-year warranty and how the warranty process works at Leatherman. If you stick around to the end, I'll show you how to get a 40-year warranty on your tool. So, why do we offer a 25-year warranty? Our tools are designed for the expected and the unexpected challenges you might face. When you're using your tool, if you have to push it past its limits, we want you to be confident in solving your problem and then letting us take care of the tool for you. Send in your tool, we'll fix it up, we'll get it back to you and ready for your next problem. This one has nicely packaged. It's important to carefully package your tool. You know, it needs to be in something kind of sturdy to make sure it arrives. So this wave's going to go into repair. We'll keep the tool with its paperwork. This person's nicely filled this out. This is how we keep them organized. And it's going to go into the queue. On to data entry. Yeah, so she's taking a look at the tool. Is that tool broken, worn out? Is it a good match for repair or replacement? Our tools are designed for 25 years of use. 25 years of opening knife blades, can openers, jaws, handles, you name it. We learn from the tools we get back in our warranty department. We feed that data to our engineers and we make sure that the next batch of tools we release is even better. But we can't test for everything. In warranty, we see all kinds of failures, broken parts, and new things that we haven't seen before. We share those with our engineering team to help develop the next round of Leatherman products and make them even better than before. We're really proud of our warranty repair facility here in Portland, Oregon. We have a dedicated team of warranty repair technicians to take care of your tool. Not every tool you receive in warranty can be repaired. Some will have to be replaced. However, the vast majority of the tools we receive, we will repair. Our team has over 150 years of combined experience in warranty repair. When you send in your tool, you can be reassured that your tool is in good hands. So this is Mom. She's been here 30 years repairing tools. One of our most experienced warranty repair people. She's working on a P2. You can see she's found wear on the Phillips screwdriver and on the pry bar, and we're replacing all of those. She's cleaning and lubing the tool, making sure every part in it is up to spec, and it's gonna do everything that this user needs when it gets back to them. Most warranty tools will come in with a fairly obvious problem, and because we're going to fully inspect the tool, we'll usually find a couple other things that need some attention. We're going to make sure that tool fully meets our factory standards when it returns to you. So we got a P4 repaired, checked, good to go. Put it in our box here. We've got a cool universal box that accommodates any tool. We've got a survey card. Might be ready to go. So what do you need to do to have our 25-year warranty? Nothing. From our high-end tools like ARC to our most entry-level tool, they all have the same warranty. If you'd like an extended 40-year warranty, become a Leatherman Insider. Head to leatherman.com for details. If you have a multi-tool that needs some TLC, send it in. We'll take care of it for you. If you've used our warranty process before, let us know how it went. Leave a comment below, and we'll see you in the next one.